Spin it.
Ready?
Yeah. I got the pole. You have to turn the bottle on so much that time.
Turned it on. How'd it feel? Feel good?
I think I like it. My tune-up's off with your pump.
What's that?
Well, my tune-up is off with your pump.
Oh, sorry.
Very good.